everyone, this is Aisha of Decor Designs by Aisha, and welcome to my channel. Well, today is day 5 of my Valentine's Day series, and what I'm going to be bringing to you today, I have decorated for my daughter and my husband. It's going to be a daughter and daddy-daughter dance-off, as well as a purple and pink tablescape that I have done for them. Also, I have done something super fun, of course with balloons, and I have made a balloon ceiling. So I'm going to be showing you my tablescape. I'm going to be showing you the balloon ceiling. I hope that you all enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Event Decor Designs by Aisha family. So you all have an amazing day. I have one more video coming up for Valentine's Day, which I will upload either Saturday or Sunday. So you all be on the lookout for that, and have a great day. All right, everyone, so all I did right here was to put a glue dot right on, pretty much in the middle of my balloon, as you see right here. And I asked my husband to take it and just put it in the top of the ceiling so I wouldn't have to bring my ladder out. And that's him just placing it directly into the ceiling. All right, so here are the balloons that I added to the ceiling. I didn't want to add too many, but this just gave it a nice little fun vibe for the daddy-daughter dance that I want to do for my family. And as you see, I'm using purple and pink. Alright, so here's the purple and pink balloons that I added to the floor. This is just to give it some extra fun vibes, you know, just make them really seem like they're at a real daddy-daughter dance. And all I did was add the speaker right there so that we can turn on some music and they can dance. Alright, and here's some 4 balloons that I have that I purchased from Party City. The balloons was, I think, like $12 or $15. And here is my beautiful tablescape that I did for my girls and my husband. It's a pink tablescape where I added the red velvet cupcakes and just different things here on my table. I have this tablescape set up for a table setting of 4, and this is going to be for my husband and our children. They're going to have a daddy-daughter date, and normally they have a daddy-daughter date where they go out, but since the pandemic and everything, we're going to have it here at home. So I'm going to be the one serving the food and everything, and they're just going to sit down and enjoy. And as you see right here, we just added some red velvet cupcakes.